Welcome to week 7 of the course, and then in this week we will continue our unit on leading through diversity and conflict. The focus of this week will be on developing your knowledge and skills in communication, with a particular focus on communicating through conflict situations, something that is quite common in leadership roles today. Your required readings for this week will consist of reading the book ConCom, Conflict Communication, A New Paradigm in Conscious Communication. As you will see, this book provides a very unique take on how we as humans respond to conflict and also discusses strategies for approaching these situations more effectively. The author of this book, Rory Miller, provides a very compelling introduction to the book in his video clip, which is also required for this week. You will then be asked to apply the concepts from this book to a prior conflict situation as part of this conflict communications paper assignment. To get the most out of this exercise developmentally, it is important that you spend sufficient amount of time reflecting on their lessons learned from the book. Therefore, this particular assignment will not be due until next Thursday, October 11th. In addition to this assignment, you will also need to complete your interviewee consent form and justification as part of the Leadership Challenge video case project that was introduced last week. In completing this assignment, you will also have the opportunity to practice your communication skills by communicating with your chosen manager or leader for the project. Also this week, you will have the opportunity to provide feedback on the course thus far by completing this anonymous feedback survey. That concludes the video introduction for this week. I wish you the best in completing your tasks.